Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to PGAdmin. First, launch the PGAdmin application on your system. Once it's open, you'll see a browser tree on the left side of the interface. Look for the Servers group. This is where all your database connections are managed. Right-click on Servers to bring up a context menu, and then select Create followed by Server to begin setting up your new connection. It's a straightforward process. Now let's set up the server connection. In the Create Server dialog, you'll first need to give your server a meaningful name under the General tab. This name helps you identify the connection later. After that, switch over to the Connection tab. Here, you'll enter the essential details for connecting to your PostgreSQL database. Start by providing the host name or IP address where your database resides. Continuing on the Connection tab, you'll need to input a few more critical pieces of information. The default port for PostgreSQL is usually 5432, but confirm this with your database administrator. Next, enter your database username, which is essential for authentication. Finally, type in the password associated with that username. Make sure these credentials are correct to ensure a successful connection. Once all the connection details are entered, simply click the Save button. PGAdmin will then attempt to connect to your database. If successful, your new server will appear under the Servers group in the browser tree. You can then expand the server entry to see the databases available. If there are any issues, double-check your host, port, username, and password. You're now ready to manage your databases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.